Hey, what's up everybody? Tim here from the NitroBrew crew. I'm going to be showing you something extremely cool that the NitroBrew kettle systems could do. We are going to make our own whipped cream. Today, I'm going to make lavender infused whipped cream with the NitroBrew kettle system. Unlid the kettle, pour in some heavy whipping cream. You can get it from your local Sprouts Farmer Market. So I'm just gonna fill it to, I don't know, maybe a quarter or so. Doesn't really matter because that's gonna expand. And then I'm gonna put in, this says, about a full dropper's worth of lavender essence, okay? So, lid the kettle, place on flush, okay? And then I've got the compressor set to 45 PSI, which is standard. So you don't have to do anything special with the compressor, okay? So it's on, and I don't have my charger mounted, so I'm just gonna use it by hand here. Now when you're making whipped cream, the process is a little bit different, okay? So you're going to charge until the compressor shuts off. And when the charger shuts off, we're going to shake this 3 or 4 times longer than we would with a regular beverage. Okay? So I'm going to shake this kettle for about 30 to 40 seconds, okay? So I'm all done shaking. Now, before we open this up, I'm going to vent the pressure out, okay? And we're gonna do so in an upright way. So usually, when we dispense a beverage right now, we go upside down, right? For whipped cream, we're gonna get all the excess air out, like this. Once all of the air is out of the kettle, we can open up the lid. So check it out. Lavender infused homemade whipped cream. Super awesome. You could put any flavor that you like in there and have whipped cream for all of your favorite desserts and treats. So thanks again guys for tuning in, learning how to make your own homemade whipped cream with the NitroBrew kettle systems. Please reach out to us with any questions you may have during the process. Of course, it is a little bit different than making a regular nitro beverage. So enjoy. We're curious to see what you guys infuse into your whipped cream, and yeah, enjoy. Cheers.